Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to breed the Halo Dragon, which has just appeared on the in the market. So level 10 Cold Dragon, if I can find it. There it is. And a level 10 Firefly Dragon. You might need to do this a couple of times. It keeps on coming up for me. Scorched Dragon. It's pretty annoying. Yeah. See how it says 8 gems? That means I've got the Halo Dragon now. So press yes. And that's the egg. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to do a gem cheat. Now, I got this cheat when I was looking through, a couple of videos. They just stuck it together. But look, what you do is sign up from Game Center, go back to Dragonvale, then it'll ask you, would you like to sign into Game Center? You press cancel. Wait for it to load, which is like quite a long time. It's how Dragonvale has made the game. So yeah. Okay. Any minute now. There we go. Finally. Okay. Wait for it. Okay. Now, go back to Game Center. And we're gonna sign in to Game Center. And I'm not really gonna show you my password, so just one sec. Okay, we're signed in. Okay, go back to Dragonvale once you've done that. It says, would you like to Game Center? Would you like to log in through Game Center? Press Game Center. Then it'll take you back, Dragonvale. Back to Dragonvale. Please like, subscribe, and share and stuff. Because I've only got 2 subscribers. Okay. There we go. We go to the egg. Hatch. It says 8 gems. There's your Halo Dragon. This might take a couple of turns, which is like, 3-4 turns. It took me about 4 turns. Hatch. And put it there. Okay. See you guys.